Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Vancouver.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in and one carry-on.
Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Okay.
Your bag is within the weight limit. Do you have any lithium batteries, power banks, or prohibited items in your checked bag?
No, I don't.
Would you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat?
A window seat, please.
All right, here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is B23, and boarding starts at 9:10 a.m.
Thank you. Where is the security check?
Go straight ahead and turn left. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Next, please. Hello, may I see your boarding pass and passport?
Of course. Here you go.
Please place your carry-on bag on the belt. Laptops and liquids out of the bag.
Okay.
Do you have any liquids over 100 milliliters?
No.
Please remove your jacket, belt, and shoes.
All right.
Empty your pockets and step into the scanner.
Okay.
Please stand still. All done. You may proceed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Airport. 机场 Airport. Terminal. 航站楼 Terminal. Departure. 出发 Departure. Arrival. 到达 Arrival. Terminal shuttle. 航站楼间的接驳车 Terminal shuttle. Check-in counter. 值机柜台 Check-in counter. Security check. 安检 Security check. Boarding gate. 登机口 Boarding gate. Passport control. 边检 Passport control. Baggage claim. 行李提取处 Baggage claim. Customs. 海关 Customs. Terminal shuttle. 接驳车 Terminal shuttle. Passport. 护照 Passport. Boarding pass. 登机牌 Boarding pass. Visa. 签证 Visa. Luggage. Baggage. 行李 Luggage. Baggage. Carry-on. 随身行李 Carry-on. Checked baggage. 托运行李 Checked baggage. Suitcase. 行李箱 Suitcase. Overweight. 超重 Overweight. Flight. 航班 Flight. Delay. 延误 Delay. Cancel. 取消 Cancel. On time. 准时 On time. Boarding. 登机 Boarding. Take off. 起飞 Take off. Land. 降落 Land. How do I get to Terminal 1? 我怎么去1号航站楼 How do I get to Terminal 1? Hello, I'd like to check in. 你好，我要办理值机 Hello, I'd like to check in. Where are you flying today? 你今天飞去哪里 Where are you flying today? May I see your passport? 我能看一下你的护照吗 May I see your passport? Do you have any bags to check in? 你有要托运的行李吗 Do you have any bags to check in? Would you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat? 你想要靠近过道的座位还是靠窗的座位 Would you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat? Can I have a window seat? 我可以要靠窗的位置吗 Can I have a window seat? Please take off your jacket. 请脱下外套 Please take off your jacket. Jackets, belts, and electronics in the tray. 外套、皮带和电子产品放托盘。Jackets, belts, and electronics in the tray. Empty your pockets. 清空口袋。Empty your pockets. Is this the line for boarding? 这是登机的队伍吗？ Is this the line for boarding? What time is boarding? 什么时候开始登机？ What time is boarding? Can I have a blanket? 可以给我一条毯子吗？ Can I have a blanket? What is the purpose of your visit? 你来做什么？ What is the purpose of your visit? I'm here for tourism. 我是来旅游的。I'm here for tourism. How long will you stay? 你会待多久？ How long will you stay? Where is baggage claim? 行李提取处在哪？ Where is baggage claim?